y'all, it's your girl Shelby KJ here, back with another one. And if you're watching this video, post the video, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Y'all ain't gotta share it, but like, comment this video. Alright? Just to set the tone for, I'm not gonna talk the whole time. Just to set the tone, it's Christmas time. Wrapping gifts, literally Christmas Eve, like the whole week of Christmas. That is all the kids here. We're trying to wrap gifts, trying to hide wrapping gifts from them. Everybody's tired. Everybody's stressed out. People gotta look cute, get their hair done. It's Christmas time. So yeah, I have let myself go. My sisters, we all was in my room just making a muck. So here is the result of that. And here is me cleaning this up. Period. Because mama ain't raised no dirty girl. So enjoy, y'all. So yeah, I tried to be a fiend and hook my charger because my phone died all the way to the front room, and boom. Sorry, sis. And this is the end of our video. Like, comment, share, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel. Y'all, this room took a minute, but it's alright because we good now. Alright, so y'all safe up and stay safe. Y'all heard me stuttering? Alright, ladies.